There once was a poor boy who spent his day going door to door selling newspapers to pay for school. One day, as he was walking his route, he started feeling low and weak. The poor boy was starving, so he decided to ask for food when he came to next door. The poor boy asked for food but was denied every day. Until he reached the door of a girl, he asked for a glass of water, but seeing his poor state, the girl came back with a glass of milk. The boy asked how much he owed for the milk, but she refused payment. Year later, the girl, who was now a grown woman, fell sick. She went from doctor to doctor, but no one was able to cure her. Finally, she went to the best doctor in town. The doctor spent a month treating her until she was finally cured. Despite her happiness, she was afraid she could not afford to pay the bill. But when the hospital handed her the bill, it read paid in full with a glass of water, milk.